everyone. I am starting my day with some Valentine's cupcakes that have to go out, so I figured I'd share that with you just to give you some more Valentine's ideas. I'm starting with my sugar, butter, and oil, and I will link this recipe in the description for everybody. But since it's a quick little video, I'm just going to put everything together and just share with you while I do that. And we're just going to cream that together real quick. We're going to add in our buttermilk, eggs, and vanilla, and then we'll mix that together real good. And now we're going to slowly add in our dry ingredients, and in here I've got some all-purpose flour and just a pinch of salt and some baking powder as well. Okay, so we want to do that just until combined, and I'm going to go ahead and scrape the bowl and just mix it the rest of the way by hand. Alright, so I think we've got that there. I've got my cupcake liners ready. These cute little things here I got just at Home Goods. I found them at Home Goods and thought they were so adorable. So I'm going to use an ice cream scoop, and I'm just going to fill each cup about halfway. And if you see one that just seems a little lower, just add a little bit more. Okay, that looks pretty good. So we're going to pop them in the oven, 350 degrees, and they're going to go probably for about 20 minutes, but we'll keep an eye on that. So while our cupcakes are baking, we are going to whip up just a simple American buttercream to decorate them. We'll link the ingredients to the buttercream in the description of the video. And if you would like a tutorial on that, you can also go to my Easy Buttercream video and take a look at that. I am going to put a splash of vanilla in, add my powdered sugar, okay, at this point I'm going to just add a splash of heavy cream. There we go, much better. Now at this point I'm going to go ahead and add my other 2 cups of powdered sugar. And add another splash of heavy cream. Okay, let's see how that is. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Soft and silky, creamy, but still pipeable, just like we want. So our cupcakes are cooled. They did go about 25 minutes in the little cups. We have our frosting ready, and I have some decor ready. I've got some of the Jolly Rancher hearts, and if you saw my cake, Valentine's cake video, you saw these. I put some on the cake, and if you haven't tried them, you need to grab a bag because they are delicious. And I've got just some red non-ferals to sprinkle the cupcakes with, and then some red food coloring. So in keeping the decor coordinated with the red and white cups, I decided to keep my frosting white. But what I'm going to do is put a little bit of red color in my bag just to give it some red throughout the frosting versus coloring all the frosting red. So I'm just gonna go around here. I'm gonna kind of put a drop down the side there and just spread that out, because I want it to be on all sides of the frosting when it comes out. I'm just gonna turn it, kind of let it drip down, and one on this side as well as this side. Just gonna kind of help it down a little bit. And the idea is just to get a little of that red color going, so we have a little bit of a red swirl. Pull our bag out. Just going to go around and just pipe some on, and trying out a new tip today too. Pretty cool. Okay, so we're going to put some sprinkles on top of these. And then we're going to put one of our red hearts on top of each one. Alright guys, those came out pretty cool. Okay. So there's our Valentine cupcakes. They'll be off to shortly to a little Valentine party. Thanks for joining me today for this Shell Sugar Short. Hope you enjoyed it.